Hey everyone, this is Chris with Flat Six Motorsports, and today I'm really excited because we're going to be installing a set of Numeric Racing performance pedals on my 997.1 Carrera S. So let's go ahead and unbox these, show you guys some of the differences between these and the factory pedals, and then we'll get them installed on the car. So let's take a look before we install these and talk about what these pedals exactly offer. These are a machined aluminum pedal. They're customized with this hex pattern that provides a little bit of grip to the bottom of your shoe, and it also looks great as well. On the back of them, we have the machine pieces that actually hold these to the car. So this is the dead pedal, and it's actually going to slide in the same way that the factory one slides in. This is our clutch and our brake pedal. So these two are actually going to sandwich around the factory metal pedal. So we're gonna have to remove the rubber grommet that's on top of it first and then install this on top. And then our gas pedal actually has a really nice ball bearing pivot which replaces the factory pivot on the plastic pedal. And that's gonna make a huge difference in how the throttle feels and how you're able to put the power down. So it's gonna make it a lot smoother. You're not gonna get any left to right play with this. It's only gonna be forward and backwards, and it is really smooth. So let's go ahead and remove the pedals that we have currently installed, and then we're gonna go ahead and upgrade to these bad boys. Now, what really makes these pedals nice to install is the fact that they really just replace the factory components. So here is the factory dead pedal. You can see how the clips work. And the Numeric one basically copies the design even down to the ridges that help it engage. So installation is simple, and that's what makes this a great product, and it's reversible. So should you decide to go back to the factory pedals, then you have that option. You can see here that we previously had another set of pedals installed, and these ones you had to drill into the factory pedals. Not too bad on the clutch pedal, but on the brake pedal where it's made out of metal, kind of a pain. So this is a lot simpler of an installation because the covers are just gonna go around this pedal and they're not gonna require any drilling. Now, if you haven't noticed yet, one of the cool things about this kit is that it doesn't show any screws from the front. So all the screws are on the back, and the dead pedal doesn't require screws. And the gas pedal, which we're gonna install now, is actually a full replacement. So it's gonna replace this piece right here. To remove your gas pedal, it's pretty easy. You're just gonna remove the one screw that holds it in, and this is a Phillips right here. And then that's gonna allow you to literally just push this gas pedal up and it's gonna come loose. Then you've got a connector right here, squeeze it and pull it off. That's gonna give you the whole gas pedal. From here, you're gonna wanna disassemble it so that you can install this pedal. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now on the 997, it can be a little tricky to remove this gas pedal. So I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. Over on this side, so on the flat side of the pedal, you can actually get a flathead under here. It's a kind of a specific spot, but if you can get a flathead under here and pry it, you'll see that there's a catch. And if I go ahead and do this now, maybe I can show you. So there you have it. This is the catch here that I had to put the flathead underneath, and then I just raised up this portion. So just prying it up, and that way you can disconnect it. You see here that now we're just gonna slide this to one of the sides and should be able to come right out and replace it. And that right here is what our gas pedal is going to grip onto. On the bottom here, there's a little clip. Go ahead and push this in and you should be able to slide the gas pedal out of the assembly. Here's a good view of the clip on the pedal that you have to disengage in order to slide it out. Now we can go ahead and slide in our new pedal. Now when you slide this new pedal on, you're gonna have to engage the bottom rail as well as get this dowel on at the same time. So make sure that you have all that aligned. It can be a little tricky. There you go. We'll get it the last of the way in, and there you have it. It's engaging with the accelerator pedal sensor. It has a lot smoother engagement now. And you can see that the Numeric setup also uses a locking screw instead of a clip. so that the pedal won't move anywhere. So there you have it, the pedals are installed. I think they look great, they feel good. I really like the signature design with that hex pattern from Numeric. I think it's really, really nice, and particularly in my 997, it matches well with the silver trim to have the silver pedals in there. And again, if you're looking for a set of pedals that are easy to install, they don't require any drilling, you don't have to do any modifications to your car, check these out. And also the other Numeric products are great too. They're always pushing out great stuff. They've got short shift kits, shifter cables, spacers, bolts, all sorts of good Porsche products. So check them out at flat6motorsports.com. And remember, we'll see you in the next video.